I'm gonna show you how to download student version SolidWorks 2020. So for this, first type the keyword in the Google. Now you will get like this link, request an educational evaluation. Click on this. Here you will get something to fill up. Fill this accordingly. Give a the old one also, which you haven't registered in SolidWorks. Institute name, and as we are student, click on student and continue. After that you will get a second something to fill up, like your address and all. I just click like area level of interest. I click beginning investigation and tick this mark. Now what you will got, you just got a link that will redirect you to the link to download those SolidWorks setup installer. In that place also you will need this code. So before proceeding in the link, copy this, paste here. Now just go and click this link here. After that, what you will get, again you have to give your contact information. Student, I already have a serial number that starts with 9020. Obviously not, that's why I am showing this video to you. So click no. Academic version, if you have a new laptop having greater than 8GB RAM or 8GB RAM, you should prefer 2020-21, otherwise 2019-2020. So click that keyword here, request download. Now what it will happen, you will get some conditions and incentives, and then you have to accept and continue. After that you will get some serial numbers for different products of SolidWorks. So also keep in mind this, copy this, paste here. You will require it later when you have to choose which products of SolidWorks you want to download, means in eval. Now download it. Let me download it here on the desktop so that I can show you. Start. This is just the installer file. It will help you in install and download basically. Now this will appear in my screen. Yeah, this is what I was saying. Just double click on it, setup file, yes. To unzip all files in SolidWorks setup.exe to specified folder, press the unzip button. Please remember this place. I have done it in the desktop so that I can show you. After this, click on the setup. Okay, now what you have to do, install on this computer only, as you are downloading in your PC. So click on this first radio button, then click next. Here what you have to do, Here you will apply those keys according to the product. Basically I want to download 3D design. For 3D design, cam, solid composer. Okay, download it also. See, Control V. Yeah, that's fine. The more number of products you will download, the more amount of download file you will require. So the size of the download file will increase. So be careful about this. And sometime if you will not download some of the composer or something like that, then you will get some dialogues that it will say like it may affect your computer if you don't download this, but every time you have to click OK. No problem. Look, estimated size 17 GB it is showing. Click on accept. Now download and it will take now 15 GB of storage space. Download size will be 1.3 GB. After installation it will be 15 GB. So be careful, before that your storage must be more than 15 GB. Now click on install. It will download one. After that auto installation will start. Look, here the SolidWorks is installing 16% already. So as it is already downloaded and installed, now you can see it is showing installation is complete. Show me what's new in. You can click here and see what's new in this SolidWorks. And yeah, join SolidWorks experience. Just click remind me later. You will do it later. Then click finish. Now let's check whether our installed files are working or not. Click the SolidWorks 2020, this one, which we will use very often. Starting, looking nice. Let's see. Loading registries. It will take time in your PC depending upon your RAM. If you have SSD as your storage. Now here you have to click on this radio button because you are taking the trial version. I want to activate my SolidWorks. No, you don't have that permanent key. That's why you have to go with this. I have already used it for 6 days, so it is giving like 24 days now. But I don't know, in my PC it is giving 30 days only, but it's written 60 days. I don't know. Let's see. Finish. It is opened now. After clicking on the new file, it should appear, yeah, this new SolidWorks document. And we will try with part design. We have a tutorial option also, but for now I will do a part design, not do, just check whether it is working or not. Okay, click on OK. Well, the interface are coming. Cam, analysis, preparation, simulation, SolidWorks add-on. Let's make a sketch. Sketch. Let's select a plan. Here, draw a circle. For circle, take a center, define center, then give the radius. Yeah, it is working fine. That's it. Thank you.